A lot of you guys are struggling to get sub 5 average on a 2 by 2, but you are not able to get it because of you use the beginners method. And if you use the Ortega method, then you will become a lot faster on 2 by 2, and there are possibilities that you will get your average down to sub 5. I'm not much confident about saying that because till now I've not managed to get a single sub 5 average on a 2 by 2. Now enough of that, now let's go on to the tutorial. Note that if you haven't already seen the 3 by 3 video for the beginners method, then I must say that you need to watch it, and then it would become a lot more easier. How we solve on the regular method, which is the beginners method, is we first build a layer like this and then go on to the last layer. In this method, first you need to build up the first layer, no matter if it is mismatched with the corresponding corners. Then we have to do OLL, and after that PLL, like that. So now you need to look for the bars of which you need which color you need to solve first. So I'll go with the white because it is the most easiest one to go with. Okay, so now I'm having the other two corners over here and over here. So do hold it upside down, and now I will insert this first, not necessarily to be matched like this, and now this one like that. And I'm not going depth in how to solve the first layer because it is shown in my the other beginners method video for 2 by 2 and also in the 3 by 3. So yeah. Okay, so if you haven't watched my OLL video for 3 by 3, and if you wanted, the link is in the description, of course. And now let's go on to this OLL. You might recognize this. This is the anti-zoom, and here is how you do it. Let's go first with the recognition. One corner will be facing up, the other one will be going in the anti-clockwise like this, like here, right here, and then right over here. So now you need to hold it like this so that the corner is in the upright direction, and then do this like that. Now just the opposite is the zoom case, in which you have a corner facing up and the others are going in a clockwise direction like this. Okay, now you need to hold it like this. The corner is in the bottom left, and now just hold it like this, and now apply this algorithm. Do keep a track on my finger tricks because they are the easiest ones, like that. Now let's go on to the other one. It is this one, where two corners are facing this way and the other two facing this way. So now you need to hold it like this, and there are actually two algorithms. You can choose whatever works for you the best. I will show you both of them. So first F, then R, U, R prime, U prime. You need to do it 3 times. It is the first time. Now the rest 2. R, U, R prime, U prime, and F prime, like that. The other way you can do it is like this. Like that. Now we have this case, we have two corners in the diagonals, and the other two are like this. We can say this as the L perm. Okay, so now you have to do it like this. Like that. We have this one, it has a bar over here and the other bar over here. So it is simple, just hold it like this and do F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime, just like that. From this one, it has the bar over this side and the other two corners are facing the opposite directions. You have to apply this algorithm. Like that. Okay, so now we have completed the OLL, and now it's time for the solution of both the layers simultaneously. Now let's start with the first one. So this is for the case where you happen to be solved the first layer And if it is so, then you have to look for the bar like this. Now what you have to do is just apply the T-pump which we had in the PLL video of CFOP method. Now if you don't know that, let me just tell you. Like that. Now we have the other one. In this case, if your first layer is not solved but still you have two bars, then just make sure that they are in the same face like this. And it does not matter if you are having another color bar, just align them on the first face. Okay, now apply this algorithm like that. Okay, so now the next one is this one, when you only have one bar. And so here is what you have to do: keep it on your front face and now apply this algorithm like that, and your cube will be solved. One over here, it is this one where you have a bar over here, and then the two of them are over here. The two opposite corners are over here, where you have red and orange and blue and green. So in this we have a simple algorithm which is this, like that. Top and bottom both does not have a bar, then do like this, like that. Okay, so if you practice that well, and if you just practice it as well as you do on a 3x3, then you would probably get your average down to 5, and happy cubing.